Hi, my name is Donna Bellinger Ryan, and my first project was an Old Spice commercial. Um, my dad used to wear Old Spice, and I used to love that smell. So I'm wondering, yeah, I love those little commercials. So it's probably a childhood memory or something. Anyway, this is a gentleman that's standing in front of a shower, like he's just come out of the shower, and he has a towel and he's got this deep voice and he's saying, "Look at me, look at your significant other or spouse, look back to me." He doesn't smell like me, but he could smell like me. And then he goes from different scenes like an ocean, and then he's got diamonds coming out of his hand, and then he's got the Old Spice coming up, and he keeps, referring, he doesn't smell like me, but he could smell like me, and I think he ends up on the beach or something, but I believe it's contrast because he's saying, "Look at me, look at your significant other. It's not me, and he doesn't look like me, but he could smell like me." So he's appealing to women to encourage them to go out and buy this. So um, their significant other might not look like the person, but he could smell like that person, and I guess you could have some la-di-da daydreams. Anyway, that's what I think that one's all about, is the contrast. Okay? Thanks. Bye.